How to activate Wildcard on Fantasy Premier League. Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Without any further delay, let us get started. Launch your PL application from your device and get logged into your FPL account. At this page, tap onto the Fantasy option from your bottom bar. Here you will see the option of Transfers. Tap on Transfers. And you will also see Wildcard and it says Available. So let's go ahead and make a transfer. Tap on to Replace. Choose any player that you would like. Then tap on Next. In here, it says that 4 points will be deducted if I make this transfer. Let's go ahead and tap on Wildcard. Now, as you can see that Wildcard has been activated and now the points that is going to be deducted is 0. Once done, tap on Confirm. Just like so, this is how you can activate your Wildcard. Thanks for watching the video till the very end. If you would like to see more videos on this topic, then do comment down below and we will catch you up in our next upload.